There's Snickeroo. We miss you, Lucian. We miss you, Lucian. Please come back to us, okay? Move. Okay. Past 5 days, my cat Lucian, I hadn't seen my cat Lucian Tella. His middle name's Tella because his brother and sister were named Palum and Param, and so that's why I had him a middle name Tella. So his name is Lucian Tella. He's a gray cat, and he's been roaming around out here for 5 days, and I hadn't seen him. So Lucian Tella, wherever you are, you gotta come back home. Come back home to us, little boy. Jeez. There's little Angie girl. Hey. Alright, let me get y'all's water bowl. Yeah. There's little Snickeroo. Hey, Snicker. This is a stray baby. His name's Snicker. And there's Dasham. There's little Dasham. Hey, Dash. There's little old Dame Dash right there. I tell you what. That's Thelma. This is either Thelma or Theo. They're identical twins. This gray one with black stripes, this is Theo or Thelma. Him and his sister are identical twins. I can't tell them apart. They have identical markings. I can't tell without looking at their gender if it's either Theo or Thelma. I don't know. They act identical and they look identical, so I don't know. I can't tell them apart. There's Totorina. Don't name her after some company that makes plastic. But hey girl. guys, we got more world records coming, bro. On the Nintendo Entertainment System, we got 7 world record scores coming on up soon, bro. Including the first ever Donkey Kong kill screen, Donkey Kong Jr. kill screen for regular Nintendo. First one ever filmed on video by yours truly. There's Thelma. There she come. There she come.